Alright, in this slide what we're going to do is draw the axis of a velocity versus time graph for each of the cars. There are 3 cars in this presentation: blue, red, and green, and we're given a displacement versus time graph, or it's a location versus time graph. If you look, this location is 0, and the blue car starts off at positive 10, ends up at positive 10. It has no change in location. So if we were to plot the displacement of the blue car versus time and end up with a flat line like we have here, its velocity is not changing as time progresses. So we'll draw a line that falls on the 0, and that is not changing. If we come up and change our color to the green, we can see that this green car starts off on the -5 mark and ends up on the +5 mark. That displacement is positive, therefore the velocity is positive. So we have a displacement of from -5 to +15. We have +20 displacement. So we'll come down here. Velocity is displacement divided by the time interval through which it occurred, the displacement. So we have positive 20 meters per how many seconds? 5 seconds in this journey. So this velocity is positive and constant because we have a straight line, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you will. And we'll draw a line like so. The last graph, or the last car, it starts off at positive 10 meters and ends up at -10. This displacement is in the negative direction. The delta x is negative, so the velocity will be negative. So we'll draw velocity is displacement per unit time. And the result from this is -20 meters of displacement, which is interpreted from the graph, divided by 5 seconds. That will give us a velocity of -4 meters per second. So if we look at the answers,